pivotal element method is one of the useful method in evaluating a determinant. In getting the determinant of a matrix of order n, the pivotal element method centers its solution on finding a pivot element which is 1 and creating an n1 determinant from here.
Hi guys! Welcome to our video. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay kung paano i-solve ang determinant using pivotal method. Here's the example. If given in 3x3 matrix, evaluate the given determinant. So first we must locate our pivotal, which is 1. So in the mid here in the matrix, yung pivot natin ay nakalocate sa row 2, column 2. So, and may pala tayo. Meron pala tayong example sa row 1, 3, 4, negative 1, negative, sa row 2, negative 2, positive 1, positive 3, sa row 3, positive 5, 2, and 6. So, step 2 will be cross out the row and column, the pivot row and column. We call it the pivotal rows and column, which is ito. At pagkatapos, kapag na-crossing at nalocate na yung ating pivot, there will always be negative 1, negative 1 raised to the sum of the position of its rooster column, which is in our case is negative 1 raised to 2 plus 2. Kasi ang ating pivot ay nakalocate sa row 2, column 2. Kaya 2 plus 2. And ang ating mga entry ay at sa step 3, subtract its remaining entry from the product of the element. It intersects, so I add 3 minus 4 times negative 2. Nag-intersect kasi dun sa column na 4 at dun sa row na negative 2. Sa pagkatapos nun, negative 1 raised to 2 plus is positive 1, and 3 minus negative 4 times negative 2 is 11, and 5 minus 2 times negative 2 is 9. Minus 4 times 3 is negative 13. 6 minus 2 times 3 is 0. Then after that, ang gagawin natin ay upward at downward diagonals. 11 times 0 minus 9 times 13 times negative 13. So our final answer will be 117.
High pivotal condensation is a method for evaluating a determinant in terms of determinants. It also leads to some remarkable determinant identities. Eves 1996, p. 130. Chios pivotal condensation is a special Kassioff-Sylvester's determinant identity.
So now, we will understand the Chios method. We will get the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix using the Chios method. So note that we will use the formula 1 over a raised to the n minus 2, wherein the a is equal to the first number of matrix, which is the 2, and n is equal to the number of matrix, which is the 3 by 3. So we will substitute the formula. 1 over a, which is the 2, since it is the first number of matrix, and n minus 2, n will be 3 because it is a 3 by 3 matrix, minus 2. Then we will get the first and second row of this matrix. So this matrix, we will convert it to the 2 by 2 matrix. So the first and second row will be the 2 and 4, and the negative 2 and 1, the first one, 2 and 4, negative 2 and 1. Next is the 2 and 3, and the negative 2 and 2, 2 and 3, negative 2 and 2. Next, we'll get the first and third row. So it will be the 2 and 4 and the 3 and 3. Next is the 2 and 3 and the 3 and 5. 2 and 3 and the 3 and 5. Now we will get the determinants of this by using a cross multiply and the subtraction. First one is the 2, 4, negative 2 and 1. We will cross multiply them. So 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Negative 2 times 4 is equals to negative 8. So 2 minus negative 8 will be a positive 10. So the value of this is positive 10. Next is the 2 and 3, negative 2 and 2. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Negative 2 times 3 is equals to negative 6. So 4 minus negative 6 is equals to 10 because the sign, so it will be a 10. The value of this is 10. Next is the 2 and 4, 3 and 3. So 2, 3, 4, 3. Cross multiply. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So 6 minus 12 is equals to negative 6. So the value of this is negative 6. Next, or the last one, is the 2, 3, 3 and 5. This one. Cross multiply. 2 times 5 is equals to 10. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So 10 minus 9 is equals to 1. The value of this is positive 1. Next, we will solve this one using the formula 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 2, because 3 minus 2 is 1, so 2 raised to 1 is also 2. Now we will the value that we got is the 10, this one, and 10 for this one, then negative 6 and the positive 1. We will cross multiply them, so 10 times 1 is equals to 10. Negative 6 times 10 is equals to negative 60. So 10 minus negative 60 is equals to positive 70. Now, the 70 that we got, we will multiply it by this 1, the 1/2 that we got in this formula, using this formula. So 70 times 1 over 2 is equals to 35. So the answer or the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix is equals to 35.